Okay, guys, good morning. Good morning to you all. Everyone, start getting up. Stand up, and let's start singing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout, hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout, hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Good job. Okay, guys, how are you today? How are you today? Happy? Angry? Oh, sleepy? Disgusted? Hungry? Oh, sleepy, sleepy? Tired? Good? Super happy? Sad? Sad? Scared? Scared? How are you? Thirsty? Thirsty? We forgot thirsty. Thirsty? Me? Happy. Very good. Good job. Okay, now we did a lot of vocabulary. We learned the airplane and the astronaut vocabulary. So let's review our airplane vocabulary. Okay? So let's do our airplane. Here we go. Okay, takes a little to load. Here we go. Okay, who is this? Who is this? It's a pilot or aviator. Pilot, aviator. Pilot, aviator. Very good, very good. Okay, now, what is this? What is this? We also did it yesterday. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's an airplane. Airplane. Very good. Airplane. Airplane. Okay? Very good. It's an airplane. The airplane flies. Very good. The airplane flies. It flies up, 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 up in the sky. Good job. Up in the sky, and we can see the sun, the clouds. We can see the birds. Okay? Very good. Now, we also learned the astronaut. The astronaut, we also learned the astronaut vocabulary. Remember? Okay. What is this? What is this? This is a rocket ship. Rocket. See, this is a rocket ship. See my rocket ship? It's ready for blast off. How do we say rocket ship? Rocket ship. Okay. How does a rocket ship take off? It goes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And it goes up in space. Okay, let's see that. Let's see that. Okay, which one is it? Here we go. Look. Let's see our rocket ship take off to space. It flies high, high, high into the space. Okay.
Attention all astronauts, please report to the rocket ship and prepare yourselves for blast off. Thank you.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take the trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom,
What are these? Astronauts. Very good. They're astronauts. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! See, it's going up. We're going to the moon. See? The space. This is the space, the moon. Okay. The rocket ship, planets. We're going to the moon. The planets. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. It goes up, 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 up in space. Very good. So we have astronaut, rocket ship, blast off when it goes up. Blast off. Okay, very good. Now, in a while, we'll have another holiday. It will be Father's Day in Italy. Me, in the US, we don't have Father's Day until July. But in Italy, it's next week. Okay? So, let's learn some of this vocabulary, okay? Now let's see what comes up. This is for happy. Okay, how do we say, see, this is daddy.
I love my daddy.
Love my daddy.
I love my daddy. Yes, I do.
See?
Here's
Daddy.
a kiss and a hug for
A
you.
kiss and a hug.
Daddy, for all
Thank
you
you.
do. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
I love you.
I love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. Okay, this is Daddy.
I love my daddy.
I love my daddy.
I love my daddy.
See, they're playing. Yes, he does.
Here's a kiss.
Okay, so that was the vocabulary for Daddy's Day. Okay, Daddy or Father. And we say Happy Father's Day. Again, Happy Father's Day. Okay, I love you. I love you. Okay, we also had kiss, and we also had hug. Okay, and what is this? This is a heart. Very good. It's a heart. Okay, now let's learn a song about Daddy. Okay, this is a song.
Very special friend.
Daddy, see,
Daddy
he is his name. Oh, D-A-D-D-Y. 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 And Daddy is his name. Oh,
I have a very special friend. And
Daddy is his name. Oh, now we clap. A-D-D-Y. 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 And Daddy is his name. Oh,
I have a very
special friend. And Daddy is his name. Oh, 2 times. D-D-Y. 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 And Daddy is his name. Oh, I have a very special friend. And Daddy is his name. Oh, 3 times. D-Y. 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 And Daddy is his name. Oh,
I have a
very special friend, and Daddy is his name. Oh, 4. Why? 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 And Daddy is his name. Oh, now 5 times. Very special friend, and Daddy is his name. Oh. And Daddy is his name. Oh, very good. Happy Father's Day. Very good. So, how do we spell Daddy? How do we spell Daddy? How do we spell? Okay, so how do we spell Daddy? D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy. D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy. Very good. Okay, guys, we are finished. I will see you on Friday. I'll see you on Friday, but I'll send you a video tomorrow. Okay, guys? Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Daddy is his name. I have a very special
Special friend, and Daddy is his name.